include stdio.h, include conio.h, void main, clear screen to clear the screen after every output, get ch. Let's write our user defined data type struct student int roll number, character name of 50 string, float marks of 9 subject. Here we define a array. S is the name of user defined data type. Int I float total is equal 0 and percentage printf enter roll number, scanf to scan the value from user, %d ampersand s dot roll number, printf enter name, scanf %s ampersand s dot name. Let's start the loop for I is equal 1, I less than equal to 9, I plus plus. This loop is to print the marks of subject. Printf enter marks of %d subject and I. Here in the place of %d, when we take output, enter the marks of first subject, enter the marks of second subject, will return. Scanf %f ampersand s dot marks of I total plus equal to s dot marks of I. Here we can also write total is equal total plus s plus marks of I. Let's print the stars. Here /n is very important to give a new line. Let's copy it and paste. Printf I forgot to calculate percentage. Percentage equal to total divided by 9. Result. It is like title. Printf /n roll number of %d s dot roll number, printf /n name %s dot name printf slash n total marks percentage 2 percentage dot 2 f and total printf slash n percentage percentage dot 2 f percentage. Let's see the output.